Hello everyone, here is a Holi special look available for you. So let's get started. I have prepared my base here already. So quickly moving on to the next part, I'm using these two palettes. And here are these 5 colors that I am going to use. So first of all, I'm going to put the white color because I do not have any high-end base of eyeshadow. I have just put the primer and on top of that I am putting that. And the next thing, I am taking the fluffy brush and using that I am just filling my crease and swirling my brush with the yellow shade because that is my transition. The next one is I'm going to develop my IV, that is with the green shade, and along with that I will be mixing the sky blue shade just to fill in my eyelid. Here I am just using a very simple brush which is flat brush, and using those I am just trying to make the wings, very small wings I am making, and thereafter I am just extending it using the same flat brush. Next is the Foil Frenzy palette which I am going to use. So this is my eyelid highlighting shade that I am going to use on top of that bluish shade. Well, I must tell you, here is nothing special. I'm just playing with different colors so that it looks a bit more interesting. And yeah, this shade looks pretty amazing on the eyelid. So going forward, I would like to make a very small wing, and I'm using Sugar Cosmetics lipstick Tangerine Queen and another very small brush. This is basically a lip brush, and because it's a lipstick it really helps to flutter the color. So the next one in the corner is K Beauty blue eyeshadow stick, which is really very beautiful, and I'm just putting it as a kajal, nothing extra or nothing special. I just wanted to highlight my lower lash line as well, so that's why I used this color. Meanwhile, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, definitely let me know how you liked it or what you want me to improve. It's been a long, I have made a long video. Anyways, finally it's done and I am finishing up my look with mascara, and I have completed my makeup with other face makeup things. So that's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye.